thanks for being here once again with me on my channel, Janie Luco Arts. My name is Janie Luco, and today I'll teach you guys how to make a pair of earrings with polymer clay. It's so much things you can make with polymer clay, it's unbelievable. But if you want to learn, if you want to see it, give your like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you there. Bye! For this pair of earrings, we're gonna use a sculpt clay, baked clay. It's very easy to find. You can find in Michael's or at Amazon too. If you have the pasta machine, you can use it. It's better. Or you can use the roller to blend the colors. Always fold on the top of each color. If it's black, on the top of black, white on the top of white. And you're gonna do, if you have the machine, you're gonna do this at least 7 or 8 times until the color, the side of the color start to blend it and you just see like a shade. I found those cutters online, and you guys cannot imagine it, how many options you have. Amazon has a lot of options. Michael's has a lot of options. Online, you can see a lot of different shapes. I have like a donut shape, tons of cutters, flowers cutters. You can find when stuff for pastry, you know, or cakes decoration, you find lots of different things. Before putting it in the oven, I will use this leather stamp I have to texturize my earrings. I think it will look great. Now they will stay in the oven for 30 minutes to dry. I'm going to use black paste paint to just smudge the letters so they're more visible. And with alcohol wipe, I clean the top, leaving only the letters with ink. I'm going to cut a little bit of a polymer clay to line the back of the earrings. I am going to use oven drying clay glue. This glue only works at the oven. Now let it dry, but put it another 30 minutes in the oven. The earrings are ready. Just a sanding to make the surface very smooth, all on all sides, removing all imperfections. Sometimes, like, you can use sandpaper, number 120, or if you have the electrical sander, it also helps a lot. Now let's drill holes to place the links for your earrings. With the electrical sander, I give a better finish to my piece, removing all imperfection and giving a more professional finish. Now is the last step will be I will apply glaze to the clay. This does not need to go to the oven, and just air dry, and give it a glossy finish, sealing my piece. And my earrings are done. I love it. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and because it's very important to us. And see you guys the next video. Bye bye.